I get up at 7. I have my breakfast. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I go to school. I take classes at school. I have lunch at the cafeteria. I play with my friends. I come home. I do my homework. I have dinner. I take a shower. I go to bed.